Okay, I think we can start. If any more are joining shortly, just let me know if they're waiting. I'm just using my mobile. I don't have auto admit today. So, okay, I'll just share my screen. We'll start off with today's session. Okay, so you can see my screen, right? Can you guys see my screen? Hello. Okay, fine. So let's quickly go through these questions and then we'll just have a look at the reports, and that's the session as such. Okay, can you guys quickly answer this today's session quiz? Which is the odd word out over here? Hurt, hasten, all of them are same. Huh? Harm, injure, wound. Which is the odd word out? Hasten is the odd word out. Next one. Danger, jeopardy, solace. Which is the odd word out? Solace. What is the meaning of solace? Solace means loneliness. Okay, all others are related to danger. Huh? Next one. Okay, which is the odd word out here? Slob. Who is a slob? Who is a slob? What is a slob? Slob is a person who is extremely lazy. Okay, the rest of them refer to groups of people. Hmm? Next one. Absorb. All the rest refer to lazy. Next one. Jumbled sentences. Okay, which is the correct order? Obviously, R is the first one. When he heard the hue and cry, at midnight. Ah, correct. RQPS. Next one. According to reports, some of the passengers were still trapped. Ah, correct. Perfect. Next one. When I reached my office, yeah, QSRP. Okay. Last one. The claim is not that science is actively anti-moral. SQ, but SQR. Okay. Synonyms and antonyms. Synonym of abundant. Abundant means lots of. So, what's the answer? Plenty. Right. Just a minute. I'll just admit a few more people. Next one. Synonym of browse. Very good. Next one. Antonym of concern. So opposite. What is the opposite of concerned? Concerned means bothered. Opposite of that is not bothered, which is what? Indifferent. Indifferent means you are not bothered about something. Okay. Last one, antonym of obey. This is easy, anyone can tell. What's the antonym of obey? Oh, you can't see my screen, huh? One second. Okay, now. Okay, that's why you didn't see the last one. No? Okay. Antonym of concerned is indifferent. Okay, indifferent means not concerned. Okay. Next one, antonym of obey. Ignore. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Okay, that's all. Okay. Second thing, reports. Okay, now many of you have finished. Few of you have not completed. Abdul Razak, I don't know why you have not completed. Please complete it. If you have not completed, please do it right away. Abdul Razak, and then who is this? Suresh Krishna, Alex Shajivan. Shajivan hasn't completed. Uh, okay, that's me. Who is this? Surender V, not completed. Okay, so if few of you have not completed, please do it. Otherwise, I will not mark attendance in camp if you don't finish this. Okay. So from this week onwards, first I look at your Google Sheet. That is the form that you have filled. Then I'll look at this assignment, and then only attendance will be given. Okay. So please make sure that you do this. The second thing. Um, the record work. I wanted to give you a feedback. Till now, only 48 out of 54 in your batch have finished. Okay, so let me just see who hasn't done. That's very poor response. You have to do this. This is more important than your assignments and your quizzes and your assignments. Okay, record work is the one that will go for the end semester. Okay, so let me see who hasn't finished. Who is this? Raj Varun Kumar. Uh, Raj Varun Kumar hasn't done. Many of you haven't done. Why? Also, please make sure that your documents are proper. We will be grading your record work in Moodle only. Okay, so if you get low grade, if you do not get around 80 or 90 out of 100, it means that you have to re-upload. Okay, if you re-upload after doing things properly, then please inform me to regrade. Do you guys understand? Okay. Hopefully, all your record work is done properly. I do not want you to mess with the record work. Okay, quizzes and all is just for attendance and for self study. Okay, see, exercise 2, only 25 out of 54 have finished. Anyhow, I haven't given, I've kept these assignments as open in terms of timing and date for your convenience because I understand week long you guys have online classes. So you can do it at your will, but what I would suggest is do not accumulate. Okay, if you guys accumulate and then you want to do everything at the end of the semester, it doesn't work out well that way. You'll end up having a lot of load at the end of the semester. So weekly, if you keep doing these things, it is easier for you and for us also to correct and grade your record book. Okay. Apart from that, that's all from my side for today. Any other doubts or questions you guys have, you can ask. Mainly, I want you to maintain your record work properly now. These videos and quizzes that you attend are only for attendance. Okay, and on spot we have doubt clearing sessions, so we can finish that off. But otherwise, main thing you guys need to maintain is record work because this is a practical paper. I hope you guys understand. Any other questions or doubts? If you have, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can stop.